Hey everybody. Cheer whanau. Okay, before we carry on, Lazy Panda and cheer brother Joshua, thank you guys for the subs. The sub and the resub. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, brothers. How's everyone doing? Do. How's everybody doing? Rodrix, thank you for the bits as well, brother. Thank you, man. Yes, we're up nice and early today. Cheers, Slipknot guy. I seen your comment too, brother. How's it going, my whanau? How's everybody? David Dawson in the stream. Hey, brother. So how's everyone doing? Carve's looking hello, welcome, Broxh. Thanks, brother. Oh, Captor DBT. Thank you for the raid, brother. Bro, we just started, but much appreciated for the raid, brother. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and I love what I do. I don't enjoy what I do. I love it. If you have any questions about what I do, feel free to ask. Other than that, welcome, brothers and sisters. Teachers speaking. Cheers for the sub, man. So I was looking over our carving yesterday. Oh, I'll just take it out there so everyone can see it. Cheers, Steven Spielberg. So I was looking over our carving yesterday after the stream, and I've been wanting to design this section, and I think I'm going to, because I want to. Today we're going to design this after we do the leg. We'll see if we can try and get a lot of it done today. Hey, true JT. How are you, Steven Spielberg? Two more, bro. So I was thinking about it yesterday. I was just like sitting there, and I had it in front of myself, and I was like, I think I'll do it. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Can't remember. But welcome everybody, welcome to today's stream. Yeah, we're gonna get the other leg done today. Our blades are feeling nice and sharp, and I actually forgot to do the main V's that we do, so we might sharpen those first. I'll just go and get our sharpening stone. Could you be? Wow, that's stuck in my head, eh? Cheer, brother Joshua, how you been, bro? Thank you for the gifters, man. You didn't have to though. Cheer, brother Otter. Hope it's not too hectic over in the UK, my bro, with what's going on. I actually forgot to clean it yesterday. Have you been in Asia? I haven't even been off the North Island in New Zealand, brother. I have never travelled, like ever. All good though. I'd rather not travel around these times. Broxh, how's your day been, man? Bro, it just started, brother. Come join in. Yo, Magnus there, geez. Sick, brother, bro. I've had it since I was 17, brother. Okay, I'll point the camera down so we can see what I'm up to. Yeah, had it. Pretty much the first thing I bought from my first work pay that I ever got. I bought the singlet. What else did I buy? I remember buying KFC with my first paycheck, and then I put the rest away to save. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag, brother. Go to Tahiti. One day, man. My grandfather's been there quite a bit, eh? There's a kohanga or school there that he's part of. Do you have the phone because you knocked your phone off? Yeah, I knocked it off a couple of times. And thus, the chat holder 4000 was born. KFC is yum. Yeah, man. Okay. To everyone that eats KFC, preferred piece. I'm a thigh man myself. Cheers, sturdy butter. To my bro. Okay, where's my 1200? There it is, right in front of your face. Do you want to travel? If so, where would you like to go? Yeah, I'd love to travel. Probably the islands first. The islands have always been some places that I'd love to go. And obviously to Melbourne for PAX. And to go see Fanta and Moda and everyone that's there. Yes, guys. Breast or thigh, chicken is chicken. Oh, I can't deal with the chicken breast sometimes, because it's quite dry. Yo, Cellback. Thanks for gifting a sub to the Sleepy Gamer, brother. I love Moda. He's a good fellow. Motor. I never had a little lamb. Okay. Thanks, brother. So I'm just taking off the burr. How come we need your skill set? True, what's that for? And then obviously to a BlizzCon. That's been like one of the things I've always wanted to go to. BlizzCon. Come to Maui, we have stories of our people descending from you. I mean, yeah, it's not surprising that our people have crossed paths. That's why I say all of us in Polynesia are one people. Just to see you live, it's almost 5 here. Oh man, don't stay up too early, brother. Okay. And just want to apologise in advance if you get hit with an ad. Gonna figure out how to deal with all of that if it's on my channel. Blockbuster MC1, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Hello, friendly giant. Hello, chat. Finally, I found you. Hey, dude, don't. So I'm just spotting the ends so we don't have to worry about them later. Okay, yeah, I might just flip them around. Oh, thanks, Dirty Butter. Yeah, it's one of the hardest designs, but one of my favourites. Pakati hoi hoi. And what makes it even cooler, there's many like variations of them as well. There we go. How's everyone been? Thoughts on the Ruin King game? Could you be... Ah, stop singing that song. Okay, let's go, eh? Let's start prepping this. Hey, Joey and Kronos. Hello, how are you guys? So we'll put our lines in, our high lines. So to anyone that's new here, high, how we spell it, H-A-E, are these things here. High is cut or to cut. And it's basically what we call our cuts along here. So the lines that you see. I'm excited to see the Ruin King. The game show was amazing. Yeah, and surprising to see it on console as well. But I'm still weighing up PC, console. Either way, I want to stream it. Left-handed, yeah, brother. I'm a legit left-handed. So funny thing too is my ancestor by the name of Tuhoi was a left-handed, and he was known as one of the most renowned people, warriors of our tribe. Well, our tribe is literally named after him, so it makes sense. What's Ruin King? It's Riot Games' new game coming out. I feel like it's gonna be like Battle Chasers. Broxh, holy shit, you're looking huge, man. It's because I had a pie for breakfast, bro. That's all. Mrs. Broxh was craving a pie, so I thought, oh, I'll have one too. I don't feel like fasting. Oh no, someone found it. Latte! Thank you very much for the $5, man. Much appreciated, brother. Or sis. I say that just in case, eh? You watch NRL? Yeah, brother. Looking forward to the State of Origin too. Man, I was just going to get a plug in. We need music. Hold on, fams, just putting some music on. Just so you're not listening to me too much. Ugh. Here we go. Get it, Qui-Gon. You got this, brother. I'm looking forward to see who hits it first, eh? Be interesting to see. Here's my mallet. Yo, Slipknot guy, have a good one, brother. It's 22 over here. I mean, it's like normally it's 1 AM, so I can't really watch you. No, my bad, brother. My people seem to have a tradition where they carve their gods' faces on wooden pillars, but it's, well, unfortunately your carvings are magnificent, by the way. Oh, long lost. Oh, true, brother. If you don't mind me asking, where are you from? If you don't mind me asking. I don't speak Spanish either. Sorry, brother. I'm from Russia, but I guess it's more of an Eastern Slav thing. Oh, okay. Whew, this gets the blood pumping, don't it? Just cleaning up the walls, whanau. Are there cool myth stories and practices in Polynesian culture that you think be interesting in fantasy settings? Yeah, we have many stories, but I don't think they belong in games. If you want to take one, for instance, Mark of Cree is a rip-off of our culture. Give it a look. Mr. Bravado. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, so that's one game that kind of butchered our culture big time. I remember playing it and I was like, what the hell? Hope you're having a good one. Relaxing sausages. Cheers, brother. Yeah, I'm having a good one, brother. Thanks for asking. There are some unique names up here in Twitch, man. It's good to see them, eh? You played Hades? Nah, not yet. I've seen. I was watching Bajira play it one day because I tuned into his streams quite a bit. I mean, he's the dude that got me into Warrior. What does the Izanux mean? Why is the Izanux? Do you know the taniwha? That's how mystical the Izanux is. Hades is a great game. Yeah, it looks really good, eh? I wouldn't mind trying it. Something while I watch the stream. Ah, you can go play something if you want, brother. It's all good. So I'm just setting up our design whanau. To anyone that's new here, how long have you been a woodcarver? 17 years, my brother. I want a traditional one, but I'd like to one that I earn, you know. Fair enough. Tasty tears. I would say, okay, this is a traditional tattoo, brother. I'll tell you a bit about it, eh? I'll turn down Brom for a bit. Because a traditional tattoo is not like the ones of today. So, a traditional tattoo, brother. So, the first tattooist or tāmoko artist of our culture, his name was Uetonga. And he was the one that came up with all the facial designs and the markings that you may see on our bodies today. And the first recipient of a mataoro, a facial tattoo, is his son-in-law, Mataora. And he went with his daughter, who was Niwareka, the goddess of flax weaving. And another thing about this as well, yeah, being the first recipient, okay. Now, the way these traditional tattoos were done, unlike our Polynesian brothers and sisters, how they apply whether it be ink or any other material into the skin, our ancestors carved into the skin. So traditional tattoos were actually kind of like scarification. And there are some that still practice that method today. Oh, you're all good, JT. Yo, my bro, thank you for the bits, man. Thank you. Thomas Sander, thank you. Oh, hello, sorry. And Sib and Mist. Here to support my friend. Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Sorry, bro, it's just what I call everyone, eh? Brother, whanau, family is what we call it. Now back to the story of the facial tattoos. So the facial tattoos were basically split into two halves. My bro, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to though, but thank you. Yeah, tasty tears. Tattoo parlors don't do traditional Maori tattoos. There are tattoo artists, Maori tattoo artists around and about. Like for instance, there are many here. Probably one of my favourite tattoo artists would have to be Honui Tuna. You can go and give him a follow on Instagram. That's basically the name of his Instagram as well. And yes, Hohua Mohi. Jacob Nezarus, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you, my man. Kia ora, my bro. Been a while, just moved home to Aotearoa after 16 years in Australia. Loving it too. Yeah, nice, brother. I2 Legend VT, thank you very much for the bits, my brain. Just remember, guys, if times are hard, you can just come and watch for free. Don't bother resubbing, just come and watch. Because we all know what's going on around the world. Yeah, Honui Tuna is his name. He's one of my cousins, but his his moko and art is phenomenal as well. What are your thoughts on The Whale Rider? I mean, it's an old movie, eh? The story about Poike is true. Hey, Cheesecake, how are you, brother? Oh, Balthazar! Oh, these are somewhat friendly times today. Yeah, Balthazar, yeah, I try and jump on early for our EU family, our whanau, and the big neck. Thank you very much for the bits, brother. Yeah, so Honui is definitely someone in terms of art that I try and aspire to be like. So yeah, give him a look, check out his work. What do you think of the what do you think of the latest All Black versus Wallaby game? Oh, the latest. Yeah, it was a good game, eh? I think my favourite part was when Rico Ioane scored that try. Then all his haters went quiet. And they were talking shit the other game. What is a tool you wished you owned? Probably Te Awhiorangi. Te Awhiorangi is a edge blade that was brought to life within the separation of Ranginui and Papatūānuku. What's your cousin's Twitch name? He doesn't have Twitch. He doesn't get into Twitch. He's on Instagram. He's a tattoo artist, but he's also pursuing like filming, which is pretty cool. Very talented artist as well. Very talented. True, no mate. But yeah, that's probably one of the most oldest carving tools ever. Te Awhiorangi and Te Whironui are two adze blades from the times of the gods. So my state of mind probably couldn't handle it if I carried it anyway. Be cool to see though, just to lay eyes on. But no one knows where it is anymore. Talking about the Honu, yeah. It's one of my cousins. He's both from Waimana. He's probably Thunder's cousin too. The Tunas are from Waimana as well. Chronos. The most, I think my favourite part when carving is the moulding. Is like the moulding stage of the carving, because you've got your block of wood, you pretty much got it spaced out in your mind. You've drawn up your concept, and then that's when you just get into the timber, mould it and sculpt it. All you have to do is just try and find it. It's in the wood, you just gotta find it. That's what I always say. Jose Antonio, have a good one, brother. Kinda looks like Thunder. Yeah, he does. There's rua kena on the ones, eh? There. Okay, so I'll just do these now. This fella's from Waimana deep. Yeah, not even. Yo, 4 Carrot, thank you for gifting us up, brother. The younger Kiwis are, yeah, I mean, Maori families are quite big. Yeah, there was a point where he was tattooing Atua Maori. Ah, those were mean. Those were mean as. I actually Okay, this is what I'll do, okay? So, the artist in particular I was talking about, Honey, I actually have one of his pieces, one of his art prints, and I'm going to go and get it, and I'm going to go and show you. So this is a piece my cousin, one of the cousins Honui did, and I bought this when he first started getting into these particular pieces, so I'll put it down. So this is his interpretation of Tāne Mahuta. There's a signature there, Te Honui Tuna 2015. So as you can see, Tāne Mahuta is the god of the forest and all the living things within the forest, and that's his interpretation of that god. So he is the eldest of all our gods we have, and he is the one that's responsible for separating our Earth Mother and Sky Father to create what we have today. So even the puoro designs right down to the veins within his legs too. He has so many cool pieces. One of my other favourites from him is Tangaroa, the god of the sea. He has octopus dreadlocks and the body of a crayfish. So yeah, I'll put a closer look there. So hopefully you can see it. I'll take this off here so you can see it properly. But yeah, once I have my own room, I'm going to frame it. I've just had it kept tucked away. But yeah, I got this back in 2015. That's some detail, yeah, that's what I really love about his art, just the detailing he does. He also did like a few portraits as well. It's on his Instagram, and he did one of Taika Waititi as well. So yeah, that's Honui. What is the god called? Tāne Mahuta. He is the god of the forest, and he is the eldest of all his siblings. Eh? 11. Get it, boy. I love how he drew the Maori gods from Rangimatama's book. Yeah. So those were his pieces that he did. So shout out to Honui. Sorry man, that's all I have for now. Don't worry about it, brother. So we have a proverb in our native tongue that goes, Ahakoa he iti, he pounamu. What that means is, although the gift is small in appearance, it's the thought that counts. So I will thank you, brother, and just know you don't have to. You can just watch, my brother. Super cool. Thanks, Cheesecake. When Broxh misses your sub because he leaves right as you did. Oh, sorry, brother. You should have. No one didn't want to tell me. I'm going back, bro. There he is, Low Gains. Subscribe for 4 months. Thank you very much, my brother. Sorry, my bro. Tāne Mahuta. I'll just put it in the comments. He was the one who created the first human being, who happened to be a lady, who created her to reproduce. Then she found out, got mad, and she became the goddess of death. Ooh, we need a bigger chisel. It's my pleasure, King. No, I'm no king, though. I'm a semi-fit, semi-skinny man who loves to play well, loves to carve, loves this culture, and likes red pandas and bears. Nah, much love, brother. The short so, thank you very much for the sub, brother, and 4 carat with the bits, much appreciated, whanau. Ah, no. Let's see. Thank you very much for the $15, my dear or brother. I hope you all. I hope I got it right. Thank you very much for the 15. Man, you didn't have to though. Did you do all the design on the? Yeah, pretty much. So even though I was one of the slowest carvers in my intake back when I was in the Carving Institute, they used to call me Turtle. Or Tortoise, I think it was Tortoise. But I always finished my work first and it sold. Okay, Spyro TTV's got the corruption in his author in his comments. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, just ban him. Connor Kenway, you're a bit out the gate. How dare you disrespect that Assassin's Creed character? Chew the tortoise. Chew. Famous Wizard, sell them, give them away. What else? Do Shemaya. Swap them for other stuff. I don't really keep them. I've only kept one my whole years of carving. Robert Cora. Oh, wonder if you're a Cora. Gifted. Oh, you gifted a sub, brother. Thank you, man. To Ache and Mr. B. Thank you very much, brother. Johnny B. Mad. Thank you very much for the bits as well, brother. And Babalu for subbing. And Cindy Coot and Unburned for the subs. Much appreciated, brother. I'm already over this roll, so. Oh, damn. Unburned. Yo, Unburned, thank you for the 5 gifted subs, bro. God damn. And then that Mexican, I see your name amongst them as well. Thank you very much for the sub. I just realised this is an ad and it could hinder me. Yeah. Well, thank you, Unburned Toast. That went to Insular, Grey Sun Haskell, Extremely Adequate, Massive Mankey, and Bleak Tide. Thank you, man. Okay, let's fix these up and then we can start cutting out our highs. With wooden skin. Oh, Mobile Force, if you're ever there again, take a photo and send it to me, brother. We're Polynesian, Diego. I've got to get my work done and then I have a good day, Broxh. Jason. Okay, how do I say that? Is there synthetic Thank you, brother. Get that work done, my man. Smash it. Hey, Jiggy, isn't that Baron's soundtrack? It most definitely is. What type of wood is this? Ah, this is Cody, brother. It's a tradition, or it's a native, sorry, for lag. How you doing today? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. It's starting to get hot, eh? But other than that, I'm good. Had a crap sleep, but I'm good. Playing Shadowlands on launch? Probably. I mean, I have the internet before launch. Could possibly be streaming it if I figure out how to do it. Because Orcon turns up this week. Did you plan on making this your career when you were younger, or did you want to do something else? When I was younger, I actually wanted to work at a zoo. Because I love animals. I mean, I still do. In Red Panda Sanctuary. Or Feed the Lions, one of the two. Another one was work in the art department at Blizzard. And then that all changed at 12 years old when I was introduced to Maori woodcarving, and I was like, from that day I pretty much said, I don't want to do anything else. This is all I want to do. Because I love it. It's part of my culture. Basically, and that's a plane. Yeah. Hold on. Just waiting for the plane. Thanks for that. I've always loved my culture when I was young, and basically once my uncle introduced me to this art form, pretty much it was GG from there. That's all I wanted to do, pretty much. Didn't want to do anything else. My bad for the plane, guys. Just waiting for the bugger to fly over. Fender, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh. Gotta go work, but I'll see you later. Cheer unburnt toast. Vikash, oh, hold on. DunkChamp55, thanks for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Great that you can share your work like this and have it appreciated across the world. That's what surprised me the most, that everyone enjoyed it. Some even said they aren't necessarily here for the carving, but they just want to watch for me, and I can respect that. Gotta love honesty. First to pronounce my name the correct way. Oh, too, bro. How's your day been? My day just started, brother. It's Monday here. But I'm good, man. Thanks for asking. Hope you are too, though. I'm just getting ready to start these highs here, these cuts. Cryptic, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Just looking over these. Just want to make sure they're all even. Go. Much better. Okay. Next little thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. How many different tools are you using for one carving? Oh, I don't really keep counting. So I use the flat to clean, a 2. I use the high to cut the lines or the shapes out. A pakati, a round for the neck. Maybe a small 2, so maybe 6. Hey, cheer Colby. Yes, Austin. Finally, when I'm not working, cheer, brother. I seen you back at the airports again. Hey, Jesus. I need a water. Oh, yeah. Whew. Okay, let's get some of this done. You going to do any WoW streams in the future? Probably once fiber's installed, I'll start trying to wrap my head around it. Like, I'm still trying to get my head around bloody OBS, really. Hold on, found it. Okay. By the way, anyone who's like the Maori culture about the exile has many references to it. People are called karui, which are equivalent to the Maori. True. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, the game was made here. Because they're going to have cultural references. I remember I got tagged in one a long time ago. Got a bit of carving going on in the game. From what I saw anyway. Which was interesting. Big turbo prop. Joe Super Typhoon. What's up, Broxh? What are you making? Just carving a Poupou, brother. So, or designing it really. So a Poupou is kind of like the portraits of our ancestors that you'll only ever find in meeting houses. Because usually what a meeting house is a fully carved ancestral meeting house, and the Poupou that are inside, which are these particular carvings, are like the descendants. But this is no ancestor in particular, because it's going to be sold, and it's not good to sell your ancestors or carve your ancestor just to, you know, get a quick buck out of it. For me, I'm very against it. Something that I'll never do, because it doesn't feel right. But mainly with the pieces we do that are going to be sold, we don't name them after any particular ancestor. And I'm going to sneeze again. Oh, far out. Yeah, I can see that about to be disrespectful. Yeah, brother. Man, sneezing today. Hay fever season. Yeah, I don't get hay fever, but I don't know. Guess I didn't leave enough snot in my nose to block off the dust or something. Quick one. So I use native timber pretty much majority of the time. Like this one here is Cody. So it's spelled Kauri. And I pretty much get all the timber myself. Whether I get it for free or pay for it. Pretty much. Either I pay for it most of the time. Have you heard of a pahu? A gong. As part of Maori music is a gong loud enough to be heard. Nah, never heard of it. Closest thing I know to it is just the pūtatara and the pūkaia, which is the conch shell and the carved one. Burnt spaghetti. Thank you very much for the sub, man. For the bits, sorry, brother. Looking good. The other one came out nice too. Yeah, my boy. I was gonna design these where the toes are, but thought I better not because it'll get lost in the design. Best to just leave it as is. I got your nose. Hey, thanks for this, my friend. Be great, be you. Thank you very much for the 7 months in a row, brother. Sure. I didn't even think I'd be on that long. But even if I wasn't, even if people weren't enjoying what I do, I'd probably still carry on, as I always do. But thank you very much for the 7 months in a row, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, my brother. Lucky we sharpened yesterday. Please don't ever stop streaming. Probably until I'm a ripe old man I'll stop. I'll go till Towley finishes. Because man, he hit his 10 years, 10 year milestone. That's a long time, man. That is a very long time. Yummy Yoda. Thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Watching you now, I feel so calm and so good. Thank you for everything, big bro. Yoya iwi? Oh, as long as you passed, man. That's all matters to me. Broxh, any Maori holidays coming up? Christmas. Barbie season. Yeah, and Swifty, Bob the Build-Ups. So Towley just hit 10 years of streaming on Twitch. I think it was last night. I was like, damn. I enjoy watching the streams, man. Just learning how to tank with him as well. I may not be as good as him, but he's really someone I enjoy watching. As you all know, I watch WoW streamers and the bros majority of the time. Where are you located? Hawaii? No, brother. Great day. There it is. I'm located in Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. Man, I haven't done Creek Day in a long time. I really get to watch these streams because of the time zones, but when I do, I really love it. Oh, that's the main thing for me, bro. As long as you love it. That's right, I think Crate Day's soon, eh? I probably will not partake, but because I don't even drink anymore. What's that for, Shemaya? 60 mile per hour winds here. Can you carve me some new fence panels, please, bro? Damn, that's fast, brother. Baby bro's wrecking the place. Just baby being baby, brother. All good. Take your time. There was a police chase down our road last night too. This dude on a moped was like going a solid 10. And you could see the cop was getting frustrated. I was watching on the front porch just with my cup of tea, having a good laugh. And you could see the cop just wanted to get out and just flog me. It's pretty funny. Hello from 9 Gauge. Hello. Good morning, Miss Shady. Yeah. Because I heard a lot of yelling, and then you know how you hear mopeds from a distance, say meh, meh. Like, and then you could see the lights. So obviously, I ran out because I'm nice and nosy to have a look. Here from the Forbidden app. Hope tones of people find your stream. Forbidden app. Damn, who runs that? Exodia. That sounds very dark, magic man. I got introduced to your stream by my co-shoutcaster, which your stream after a long 30 rank game session of Rainbow Six. True, it's very refreshing. Kind of like a sweet lemonade on a hot day. Yo, cheers, Joe Pip. Co-shoutcaster, you're a bit of a shoutcaster too, brother. Bro, that's mean. Good evening from Ireland. Hey, brother. Is wood carving your job? Have never seen it as a job, brother. Never. It's just what I love to do. What do you do when you mess up a carving? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. Okay, let me share something with you. With this clip that's gone viral, like that clip, one thing I've learnt about it, so if you stream by your clothesline, just make sure you take your towels off. That's probably the main thing I would change. Just take the washing off. Every time I see it, I'm like, the washing, man. Big ass orange towel. That's the one thing I would change about that day. And yeah, streaming earlier. This is almost night time. But the main thing was, yeah, take the clothes off the clothesline. Do you watch soccer? Not really, brother. Every time I see that clip, I was like, the goddamn washing again. That was like Mrs. Broxh. You had one job that day. Take the washing off the line. He's like, sorry. I just couldn't be bothered. Hey geese. Thought it was your undies. Nah. That was on the far end of the line. Lucky. Here a semi-truck drove by and hitting the exhaust brakes as they drive past the house. Harvest season. Oh damn. home of the Simpsons. True, is that where they're based from? Springfield, Oregon. I did not know that. I mean, Springfield should have been a giveaway, but still. It's term here where I'm from. I gotta sleep, but I want to keep watching. Ah, it's all good, Elephant. Just have a sleep, brother. It's all good. True, KFC kid. Yeah, I'm all good, boy. Oki maya, Mr. Kōrero. There's a Springfield, Illinois too. True. Alright, there's quite a few of the same place, eh? My computer messed up my spelling. Bro, I mess up my own spelling and it's not even the computer's fault. Okay, I'm going to go this way. Half pine use today? Maybe, because, yeah, maybe. Yeah, we'll do it, eh? I just gotta watch out what I say. Because we'll be up the front today. Tell me now. What's your favourite meal? One that gets me full, brother. Oh, welcome, Super Kitu. Cheddar cheesecake. Thanks for that, man. You honestly don't have to, though. You know that. Just trying to get rid of the pencil markers on the top of the lines. Rather just do it now than later. Just gotta watch out just in case I rip the timber. Posture check. Oh, there you go. This will have a water as well. How many chisels do you normally use for a piece? All depends, eh? Sometimes you can just use 2. Yeah. Where can I find your artwork? On Insta. I don't do shops or any of that. Oh yeah. What's this? Hello. Bumblebee. Cheers, brother. What's this? Oh, so yeah, I got to cut up JT's piece today. It's on the side there. So I'll cut out his one with the chainsaw today, and got to go into town and print out these photos of the secret piece. Otto knows what it is. Don't give it away too, Otto. I know how you like telling stuff. Pies for all. Hey, cheer, Reed. Thank you for the 2 months, my bro. Well, that's one fence panel down. Oh, actual, bro. Yeah, only the mods know. I'm low-key scared because it's not Maori wood carving, but I couldn't pass it down because it was a fun opportunity to do. Much love from Indonesia. Hey brother, what is your carpenter level? I'm not a carpenter, I'm a wood carver. Whakairo carver man thing. Yeah bro, it's windy as true brother. Broxh, where you get your wellies? What's that brother? You have an online shop? Nah, I don't do online shops. Oh, gumboots. Oh, I just got them from Bunnings, brother. Oh, from Mitre 10 Mega, either one. That's where the red bands are. True, is that what they call them? Yeah, I just know them as gummies, shit kickers. Yo, Son of Dragon and Marty Marsok, thank you guys for the 2 months. Much appreciated, family. You didn't have to though, just remember, look after yourselves too. Wellington boots, oh right. Rain boots, this is what an everyday shoe looks like. Where do you come from? My mother. I'm from Aotearoa. Hey, gift! Oh no. Yona! Thank you very much, kind sir or kind lady, for the $5. You did not have to, but much appreciated. It will probably go on timber, but much appreciated. Gee, that's not a knife, this is a knife. Mate, you can't carve these with knives, so you're in the wrong place. Hey, pure advice. Such the red boy covered short, and to me I learned a bit about you and appreciate you much more. You have a beautiful family. I learned about the chat hole to 4,000. Here it is in all its glory, brother. It had a 4,000 there, but due to usage it was rubbed out. High performance design that I cut out myself. Also with port cutout section as well. Can't get these at Noel Leemings. Can't get these at JB Hi-Fi. Oh no, it's my mum. Hold on, find it. Hello? Tomorrow. Yeah, I'm streaming. No, all good. Probably come up later. See ya. She's like, oops, sorry. I'll ring you later. Coming to a shop near you. No, this is mine. One holder to rule them all. When is the chat holder 4001 coming? No need to, brother. Oh, someone else found it. God damn it. $10. Oh, from Stevie. Sorry I can't see your proper name. Oh man, I need a chat body. Thank you for the $10, man. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Love for Mama Broxh. Okay, cheesecake. That's enough, brother. Jeez. Thank you, though. Okay, let's get these. Has it though? Has it been found? Oh, the nostalgia in the background. Yo, Nate Dog and the real Gordon. Thank you very much, guys, for the subs. You didn't have to, but thank you, man. Okay, let's go. So we are going to head here, go around. Oh, so good. Oh, it's alright. Oh, damn. $10. Thank you, good sir. You did not have to though, but much appreciated, man. Oh, come on. Don't say that. Oh my god, it's not 10, there's another 0 on it. Oh, crap. I thought that said $10. What the hell? Holy crap, bro. Oh, what? What a giant, bro. Thank you, brother. Holy cow. I legit did not see that other 0. I thought it was $10. Bro, I'm so sorry. Thank you, brother. Holy cow. Way. Wow, thank you, bro. Jesus. What the hell? I didn't even know what I did. Crow Knight. I thought it was Crow Nut for a bit there, but thank you, brother, for the sub, my bro. They deserve a big man. I just hope they can look after themselves though. That's the main thing for me, always will be. But thank you for the 100, brother. Holy cow. Master QGJ and the real Gordon gifted a sub to KFC Kid. Thank you very much, guys, for that. You didn't have to. Much appreciated though, whanau. Oh. Oh. Damn. hope you're all good, bro. You don't have to give it that much. Jeez. Hey, chew more, bro. Chew, just. How was your moi, my bro? Good morning. Cheer the real Gordon. Thank you, my brother. Okay, we need to come back that way. I'm just looking at it now. Ooh, damn. Kanye. Oh, I don't like Kanye, but I just sing it because just as he. I think he's a dropkick as well. We're just trying to suss out what I'm painting on Twitch art. Oh, Chew, when are you up, brother? Should get hired by Blizzard to carve something. Oh man, I don't think they need me. But someone did suggest on Twitter, maybe carve the different like symbols of the Orc clans. It intrigues me, but just because they're easier to do, eh? And because I don't do much stuff. Kanye is the president of the world. Oh yeah. And I'm the next bloody Super Saiyan ape gorilla with the mane of a lion. Oh, don't look at me. He's a meme. I'm on the 3rd. Oh, tomorrow. Chew. So I can catch it. I'm at a hapu whanau tomorrow and Wednesday. So I might have to do some Arvo streams. We're making a thing for babies, whenua. Where do you live? Earth. For I just read about that theory about the Earth that everyone thinks I think Fanta suggested it, concave Earth. We're gonna see some Buzz Lightyear kicks. Did you catch the World Finals? Gravino, I only watched the first 2 matches, brother, then I got tired. But yeah man, I'm glad LCK's back on top. But I wanna see Faker crack it again. We're taking over. We're taking over. Hey. Broxh for president. No, thank you. Thought you had to be like 70 for that role. Nah, I'm not really into that kind of stuff, man. You carve masks too? Traditional Maori ones I have. I did. That was the previous project I did. It was a bit of a snooze fest after the first game. Yeah, I couldn't really stay up that long. I was getting tired. And I love my sleep, so I just banked it. I was like, yeah, they're gonna win, but other than that, good night. It'll be on the internet tomorrow. Well, that was that night. But at the same time, I was gearing one of my Project 30 alts. You alright? How's baby? She been moving? Pet spellers, you know. Oh, thank you, Mr. Fusion. Right over. Yeah, we follow Stephen Adams because he's from here. Right over here. The Turtle Alpha. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. What are you making this for a box? It looks so cool. Ah, just for fun? Really? All good, Harlequin. Sweet as, brother. Hope you're alright, though. Ba 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 ba. I really want to play music I can sing to, but we're not allowed. Thanks, Kid Rock. Someone's been naughty. Silly Trumpet, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. You play World of Warcraft or just into the artwork? Both. Both, brother. Ooh, okay. Dry timber, yes. You know what that means? We have to turn it around. There's certain angles I gotta carve this particular section from. So there'll be some times when I have to like put it on my side where you may not see much of it. So I apologise for that now. Oh. There you go. Jeez, kōrero ki tēnei kamaiti. Okay, where's my mallet? Here it is. Bam, bam. What's the typical weight of a piece like this? I don't weigh my pieces, bro. I can't really give those types of questions. Lightweight? Nah, I don't know, brother. I legit don't know. Lightweight, baby! I like your shoes. He's the only Mr. Olympia I've met. One of the greats at that. I think someone else I would love to meet is Kai Green and Phil Heath. It looks really cool, man. Thanks, Bob. Lightweight, baby! I think that'll just be my answer now. How heavy is that? Lightweight, baby! Yeah! Woo! Do you weightlift yourself, Broxh? Yeah, brother. Oh, not as much as I used to. I used to get into powerlifting back in the day. I got bored of it. Done it for so long. Then needed to look for something new to do. Kai Green's a mean artist too? Yeah, bro. You mean artist. Who played Doom Eternal? Nah. Do you know Hafthor Bjornsson or Larry Wheels? Opinions? Yeah, I know them. I don't really have an opinion on them. Just, yeah, know them. Know of them, I should say. I don't know them personally. Yeah, so I skipped work one day to go and meet Ronnie Coleman. It was cool, he's a real chill dude. Mr. O, the 8th time. Hafthor Bjornsson. The totem remember me to Pokemon Alola region is beautiful. Oh, true, bro. So we're just trying to fix up our lines, get all the pencil markers off so we don't have to worry about them later on down the line. It'll be good. Hey man, good vibes from Argentina. Hey brother. Take care, Broxh. Have a great stream. Aim boulder. Cheers brother, have a great day. Oh my god, that looks good. Oh, it looks so good, eh? So the rear model is on hold till I buy some more. Yeah. Insulating the house, that's the one. Oh. Usually if I do that fun, it means go the other way. Follow the grain. Yeah, I know I'm Hafthor streams. Along with Martin Lisa's. I think other strongmen I follow besides them is Rongo Keen. He lives in Aussie. He's a Maori. And geez, I keep forgetting the other dude. And he done Australia's Got Talent, and he sang. I got a job. Oh, nice, bro. Thanks for the bits, man. You didn't have to though. Just grilled some salmon and baked potato. Ooh, salmon. I'm all about that salmon life too. Eddie Williams, yeah, that's him. Man, I love watching him too. I want to get some of these shirts, eh? They, I think he's an ambassador for them. Kind of fit, kind of fat. I like that brand. I'm gonna get some. I was like, I got one of the two of those. Using the old tools that is just relaxing. Ski, nice to meet you, brother. Yeah, I'm all about using old tools, brother. If I can, like, minimize the usage of, like, power tools, I'll do it, bro. Yeah. I just think it's more fun. The better, just for me, just because I love using my tools, brother, my chisels, more than power tools. Right down to the adze blade as well. Me, I'm just kind of... You'll hear from the Forbidden app here too, say hello. Yeah, Corpse Soldier. Yeah, another one from their Forbidden thingy. I've never heard of that, eh? Sounds like something Exodia would run. Get it? Because he's the Forbidden one. First time catching you live. Hey, J Stew. Tasty tears, yeah, that's what I love about it, man. Just doing it all by hand. Makes the end product more worth it, I would say. Forbidden app is iFunny. Oh yeah, I've heard that before, but I haven't even used that either. What are you making? I am carving a traditional Poupou, traditional wood carved Poupou, which is kind of like the portraits of our ancestors. Yo, Pet Vein, thank you very much, my brother. He broke the rule. What's that one, brother? It would be a crime to enjoy the stream this much without showing a little love. Oh, Pet Vein. No crime at all, brother. More than welcome to just kick back and enjoy, brother. Oh, thank you, my bro. Ooh. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Charlie. That looks really cool, man. Thank you, Wiggle Wiggle. Part of the ship, part of the crew. Alex Jensen, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Boat strap Bill, you're a liar and you'll spend eternity upon the ship. Master Turner, feel free to go ashore. The better next time we make port. He was one of my favourite actors from their movie, the Davy Jones dude. Yeah, I know who Gibraltar is, brother. Craigle, love the stream, brother. Keep it up. Thanks, man. Do you know how to perform a haka? Which one? There are many. So I'd say thank you for streaming, getting me through college right now. Yo, Kane, all good, brother. You pretty much can't leave now. You gotta stay forever. Nah. As long as it helps you get through the day, man, that's all that matters to me. How many sus he have? What is a sus? Any games besides Shadowlands that have caught your interest lately? Cyberpunk, definitely. What else? Gods 4. That game looks cool. Assassin's Creed. Other than that, no, nothing else I would say. From the up and comings, that's for sure. Morena bro, how was the weekend? Cheer, Uncle Roadworks. Yeah, good brother, thank you for asking. It's got a bit done, my bro, prepping my tools for these 2 projects that I'm about to do. One of them scares me more than the other one, because it's not traditional Maori woodcarving. I'm just gonna do my best. I need to start mapping that bugger out today too on the timber I bought over the weekend. Oh. Nice culture. Thank you, Hideo. Aloha mama, just practice, that's all it comes down to. Don't make mistakes, brother, we make adjustments. Yeah, ski, that's the one I'm looking forward to, but at the same time, yeah, scared. Definitely putting my signature on it, or my initials, or mark, or whatever it may be. I told the mods what it is, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. No, that Ocean in there because instead of the same region. No. Now that Bjorkson is retired, I'd love to see Broxh as a mid laner for TSM. Nah, brother. I'll never play a league at that kind of level. Go on, 5 of the world champ. Broxh pulls out his trademark Brom mid. Boom, we get a Broxh Brom skin, legendary. I'm low-key hoping, like, you know how characters get ultimates now and again, but unfortunately it went to the new champ. I was like, come on Volley Bear, come on all my characters that I like to play. It's like, surely it's our time for an ultimate skin. And then it went to that new champion. I was like, damn it, we'll just wait a few more years. Hey Moda, hey brother, the BM hunter himself. Congrats on the 8k too, bro, on Reddit.io. How's it been over there in Melbourne, bro? I hear the cafes are open now. From the next KDA member? Nah, it's gonna be me voicing over him singing opera songs in the mountains. I can see it now. Glorious. Bloody glorious. Catch a glimpse. Thanks for the bits, Bella. You didn't have to though, man, but thank you. Yeah, everything is opening up now, finally after 7 months. That's a long time, brother. Couldn't be happier. How are you? I'm all good, brother. Yeah, just carving away. Just waiting on the arrival of my next baby. Not too long to go now. Could be any time after this week, really. Been playing a bit of Project 30 with Panda and the boys as well. And just waiting for Shadowlands now. I'd love for him to just get a new skin in general. Liara, I think he's getting an Elderwood skin, eh? Hey, games help me forget. Hey, brother. Bro, that doesn't matter, man. You're here now. That's what matters. Yo, catch a glimpse, brother. Thanks for the bits. Thank you, my bro. Hope you're well, though, brother. Baby on the way. Yeah, Monster, my second. Thanks, Cybolt. Funny enough, the due date is around the release date of Shadowlands. When I seen that, I was like, well, looks like I'm not playing Shadowlands on launch. Oh well, here's, yeah, been a long time. Monuru, thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Much appreciated. Just remember, bro, if you are new here, you don't have to for next time. You can come and watch for free, bro. It's all good. Look after yourself first. Oh, thank you, brother. Holmes Bones. Hey, Broxh, I love you. Hey, much love to you too, Holmes Bones. Do you make mistakes in carvings? Yeah, of course I do. But we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments, brother. So an easy fix, bro. If I made a mistake on this side, you just incorporate it on this side. Like one mistake I did on this leg as well. You see the notches here. I actually started cutting the wrong row, which was this particular line here that you see. And I just shaved it all down. Did it again. Easy. Which reminds me, I forgot to cut this side of the leg down. Well, I'll just leave it there. Yeah, games help me forget. Otter and Mahalo told me, and I was like, man, I was really gutted for them. And it's going very well. Man, I wish I could started learning how to play Kete. The guitar. I know Moda has quite a collection of electric guitars as well. My father always says you can always get a new stick. And I can't even play it anymore. Oh, true, brother. Man, I thought I saw a lot of them, eh? Oh, goodness. Okay, carrying on. Would you consider a visit to Scotland once COVID dies down here? Yeah, of course. That's one place I'd love to go, but at the same time, bro, I probably won't travel till it's fully gone. Games help you. Pencil first, brother. Always. Hey, Zeus. Oh, man. You can always talk to us, brother. All good. Or if you want to talk to me after the stream. Hello, Sam the cat too, brother. Don't want to assume But can you do a haka like, did you learn it? Yeah, you pretty much learned it at a young age, really. It's not forced on you, you're just surrounded by it. You pick it up easy. Like, take my daughter for instance, we enjoy watching haka in our household, and she can sing a whole song. She just watched it and loved it. You don't force it on. She really loves hakas, bro. Yeah. So I have to step my game up, so she's not better than me. So I can tell her to get good. Nah. Ferrer Panda, thank you very much for the sub. You did not have to, but much appreciated. Thank you, man. Can anyone confirm if we're at the front yet? I actually don't know. I mean, there are Maori out there that don't really enjoy haka. And at the end of the day, it's totally their decision. But I enjoy it because it's who we are as a people. It's part of our culture, it's part of our history. That's why I love it. I think it was supposed to be today, my bro. That's why I started early. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit of a process, this one, whanau. Just getting everything even and taking off the pencil markers. MLG Poupou, yo, thanks for the 2 months in a row, brother. Thank you, my bro. Hope you're well, man. Just remember, you didn't have to. Were you able to do anything for Halloween? Yeah, I played well. We don't really get into Halloween here, brother. Revless X Kiss, thank you very much for the sub as well, man. Much appreciated. If you guys are new here, just remember, it's hard times around the world, so you're more than welcome to watch for free. It's all good. Thank you, Catch a Glimpse, for the bits, man. How does it feel to know that people all around the world loves to watch your videos? You have a nice day. Greetings from Norway. Happy, yeah. That's the main thing for me. As long as they enjoy it, eh? And it makes lockdown less stressful for people. Catch a Glimpse, thank you very much for the bits, man. I just want to tell lockdown to get wrecked and COVID. Rafi Kati, thank you very much for the sub. Much appreciated, man. Don't spoil Mandalorian. is not the way. Matthias, thank you for the 2 months in a row, brother. Always a pleasure. Thank you, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. And Lutheus gifted a sub to Cal Gore. Thank you, my bro. Much appreciated. Just remember, you don't have to. You can look after yourselves first. I welcome that more than gifting subs to me. But thank you. So do you stain or treat your wood after all you finish the carving? Leave it natural? Usually stain it. Pretty much. With young kids, that kind of stream adds some positivity to my quiet times after the kids have gone to sleep. Yo! Yeah, Mr. Grimner. Bro, shout out to all the single parents out there as well, with what's going on. Bro, if they enjoy the stream at all when I'm live, when they're awake, I hope they do, bro, and I hope it helps you too. Cheesecake and catch a glimpse. Are you guys having bit wars or something? Yes. Thanks for always being a great guy. I'm average, brother, but thank you, brothers. Okay, let's try and smash this out, eh? Okay. Love you, man. Much love. Hey, I'm gonna call you Mr. Poupou. Have a good one, man. How long did that take, Broxh? Well, over 3 weeks, that's for sure. Did you say bit balls? Don't even start, mate. It's starting to get hot. Better lift the beards. That's enough, guys. Thank you, though. Paid Santo. Thank you very much for the sub as well, Paid Santo. Okay, we need to come back that way. For this side. Which one were we doing? This one. Sure, Bob, the build up. You don't have to do that, guys. But thank you. You should do a podcast on old traditional stuff. So listen to it. Yeah, I don't know. I just carve. I can't sit there and talk for long that much because I want to do something. Watching someone who knows what they're doing, working alone, so not relaxing but entrancing. Oh, true. Hey, true, Ranty. Are you self-taught? No. I was introduced to this by my uncle, who taught me for a few years, and then basically carried on after I graduated from one of my schools. So I actually moved on from it because education wasn't really for me. I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere, so I asked if I could move here to Rotorua to go to boys high school, and which I did. I graduated and found a good carving school here. Took me 2 goes to get into, and I'm in, got to upskill with some of the best carvers in the world, and yeah, graduated, got to keep my pack of chisels. So what they do is they supply you with the tools and they pay you to learn. If you pass successfully, you get to keep them. Do you do harakeke? Yeah, not that good though. My mother does flex weaving as well, and so does my mother-in-law, Mrs. Brox's mother, which is kind of cool. Thanks, Sam. So, to anyone that's new here, so some of the reasons why I jumped on Twitch, I was actually pushed to carving on Twitch by a few of the bros. So I just thought to myself, give it a go, and here we are today. But some of the reasons why I do it is just to try and catch the younger generation of Maori kids that might be on here, because they're the ones that have to carry it on, not me. Yeah, another reason is just because I want to share it, While we're all stuck in this hardening situation with COVID-19 and lockdowns and whatnot, I just thought, yeah, show what I love to do while we're all stuck inside or stuck on our own properties. And yeah, this is what I love to do, and this is all I have, and I just wanted to share and make a nice chill environment. And yeah, I've been trucking for 7 months now, and thanks to all of you guys. It's not me. Yeah, here we are now. Been helping a few guys that are about to graduate from school that are interested in carving with their art portfolios behind the scenes, which is cool. Def V2, thank you very much for the 6 months in a row, brother. God damn. And Virox D, much appreciated, whanau. Oh damn. Oh, cheesecake again. My leg out since I entered the car. Here, just in case. Bro. Cheesecake, bro. You don't have to do that, but thank you, man. And Original Muffins resubscribed for 3 months. You're a legend, the legendary hair flick of all time. Love your stuff. Thank you very much, man. And Crispy, I see you as well. Thank you for the sub and catch a glimpse of the bits too. Thank you, guys. The legendary. Oh, damn. Hold on, whanau. Someone found it. Thank you for the dollar, my brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Thank you. You didn't have to, my bro, but thank you, brother. I've missed a lot of progress. Oh, all good, man. You're here now, you can see it. Okay. Here. There. Boom. But thanks for doing so. Oh. Cheerati. Let's go, yo. Hunter kinda bad. Thank you for the 6 months, brother. And congrats on your badge upgrade, my bro. Got the mane. That mane going on. Is this Warcraft music? It most definitely is. I would love to play lab. I mean, I can. I've got permission from the label and the band, but I'm still scared. DMCA. Bloody DMCA. Nothing can stop my bits. I got connection again. Oh, bro. We get it. Thanks for the bits, brother. Honestly, you don't have to though, my bro. Squabbles! Hey! What up, Poupou, man? I see you taking a break from fighting dark seed and carving. Take it easy, bro. Thanks, brother. Whoa, 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 what's this? Sound like bootleg music. Thank you very much for the 4 months, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Catch a glimpse. I challenge you to a hair flick off. Mate. Mate. You don't want to smoke, mate. Nah. What sort of wood is that? It's Cody. It's a traditional, traditional. It's a native timber. Lagging hard today. Rubbing shoulders with world leaders, bro. Nah, just the one that matters. Our one. It was it caught me off guard, eh? Like the fact that she wanted to meet me, and I thought I was getting like pranked or something. And then we actually googled the lady's name that rang me up, and yeah, she was legit the secretary, and I was like, oh damn, okay. Cheer, brother Valoon. That's something that yeah, I'll remember for the rest of my life. Something I didn't think I'd ever do on Twitch. Simply just me. Bro, there we have generations and generations worth of inspiration to look back on in terms of this, because this art form has basically been handed down through the generations from the first carvers who are our ancestors. That looks beautiful. Thank you. Hello, Ciara. Oh, hello, Ciara. Damn, I probably said that wrong. Something you can tell young carvers, you two can. Oh, I'll probably never tell them that, because that's not the main reason why they should do it. The main reason to carve is just so you can hand it down and be proud of what our ancestors fought for us to have today. And it's up to us to look after the sacred treasure of our people. Like, I get a lot of questions there, so if I carve I'll be famous. And I just tell them, carve because our ancestors fought for it. It's not about that. That's just how I am. That's just how I've been brought up. I don't do this for fame. Fame can eat the back of my boot after walking in a paddock full of cows, because it doesn't get my work done. I hope you're doing great. I don't get to catch the stream all the time, but I'm always happy to support one of my favourite streamers. Yo, Cabbage Fire! Thanks for the 5 months, brother. But you just tune in whenever you can, and just remember, you don't have to sub, brother. 7 Kings of War as well. Much appreciated for the sub as well, my man. Thank you. Yeah, I do this because I love it. This is what I love to do. Same with WoW. I play it because I love the game. Because everyone's going, you should come play Among Us, and I'm like, but you can't get legendary gear on there. I was like, you can't be Lich King on there. True, Queenster. Yeah. I think Joshua is gone now, but they were in here earlier. Yeah, it's the 16th anniversary today, so that means new mounts. New mounts. Drunken gibberish. Cheers, bro. Your work looks spectacular. Thank you, my brother, for the kind words and the 3 months, my brother. Thank you, my bro. Hey, Cheesecake, thank you very much for subbing, brother. 2 months in a row. Hey, I'm a huge fan. Hey, Rapid Duntus, welcome, brother. Hope you enjoy what I do, man. If not, that is totally fine. Okay, guess I'm gonna need some. Let's see. What are your thoughts on the referendum? Predictable. Yeah, it was pretty predictable. Yeah. Don't think I can talk about that kind of stuff on front page. Well, if I am, I actually don't know. Well, I did say I could do today for the art month. I think we may have got our chickens crossed. What's the longest time you have to carve something? 6 months, brother. Now that was a group project. Something I've done on my own took about 4 months. Because something happened over that period, like when we were learning, our tutor didn't want to teach us anymore, only 2 of the students in our intake, and I was pretty much like stuck. I didn't know, but ended up just taking a deep breath and saying bugger it, and just did it anyway, and ended up finishing the piece. Ended up getting help like halfway through from other tutors. But I was that guy. I didn't really like telling people that I needed help because I wanted to try and overcome it on my own first. At least give it a good go. So you can say, yep, you did it on your own. The second. Tricky linguine. Just to loosen up the grain so it makes it easier to carve. Basically. You can either use that, water, or terps. That's really up to you. This looks hard to make, but just takes time. Just like anything, really. But I would say I'm not really, I'm like average compared to where I want to be. Just takes time. Just like an athlete trying to be the best they can be. Takes time. Hey, Red Bull. Let's enjoy a chill stream. Cheers. Cheers. Hey, Maya. And hello, Black Bear. Hey, Red Bull, how are you guys? I think they run on American time. Damn, then it's gonna be tomorrow. So I'm gonna be at a whanau tomorrow. I might have to figure that out. That's not good. Oh, Mace. Thank you very much, oh Mace, for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro, but thank you. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a posture check. You're doing Movember? I don't actually know. Yeah. Because if I wanted to do Movember, I would have left my beard. I don't like shaving the whole thing off and starting again. Rather have a good grubby mo like Brom. Bolton J, thank you, brother. How's everyone though? We all good? Think we'll be going for a fair bit tomorrow. Oh, today, sorry. Oh, I know they're paying too well. Okay. So I hope everyone's all good. So I'm just having a posture check. I lagged again. It's like, what was I saying again? What? Okay, 1 minute. I'll just go and check on Mrs. Broxh. Okay, she's good. Carrying on. Meant to show one love. Cheesecake. Arc 7, thank you very much, brother. And was 58 with the subs. Yeah, go on. I didn't even know Red Bull had a Twitch channel. I mean, it makes perfect sense that they do. So they can support, like... Oh, damn. Okay. Alright then. Oh. I know Red Bull. Shout out to Red Bull as well. Red Bull NZ. Much love for supplying me, but I know these are worldwide. Yous don't have to. Like, I'm gonna say it to yous too. Yous can watch for free, Red Bull. It's alright. But thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Okay, thank you, Red Bull. You didn't have to though, but those went out to Erok, Dodgers, those, Krista Prestige, Delton, and Cupred. Melandario gifted a sub to Jack Mac as well, and Hem subscribed to, and Sarah Org. Thank you very much, whanau. You honestly don't have to though. How are you gonna don't have to the Red Bull? Oh, I just feel like I have to. It's all good. Look after yourselves. Oh, I'm alright. I was not expecting that. Oh, look at this guy. Ah, Woz. Thank you, Woz, for the 5 gifted subs as well, man. You honestly didn't have to, brother. It's all good just to watch for free. But thank you, man. So those gifted subs went out to Ash P10, Cantankerous Auto, Argonaut, Mac Fury, and Excess Voodoo. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. This fella trying to fish for a collab. Okay. Hey Red Bull, I was wondering, do you guys have any like DMCA free music we can play? Pillar of Soul, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Part of the ship, part of the crew. One soul is not equal to another. Tell me, William Turner, you fear death. What if I like Monster better? I don't know, your bladder, I guess. Red Bull's the best bull. Underage nephew. Okay. Thank you very much for the sub bar. Sound library, which you can always use. We will reach out to you. Oh, cool. Thank you. I can't listen to lo-fi anymore. I can't. Thank you, Red Bull. Man, I prefer that over gifted subs, that's for sure. Do you get many splinters? Nope, not at all. So it will be tomorrow. Oh, goodness. Okay. How are we going to roll around it then? That I can't. Oh, okay. Oh dear. Get my homework done. Iron Cowboy. Smash that homework, brother. Thank you for the bits though, brother. You didn't have to though. Did I miss anything? I do not think so. Oh, okay. Okay, let me just eat this sandwich and I'll do it. Ooh. Flick foot holding on, Red Bull. Okay. Gotta carve up. Okay, this hair flicks for Maya. Okay, here we go. Since Red Bull's here too, we'll do a few. There we go. Oh. Let me have a drink first. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh. Woo! One more. Oh yeah. Woo. Let me have another drink before I do one more. Last one. Here we go. Okay, Red Bull gives you wings. There we go, hair flicks are done. There you go, Maya. I know you've been stockpiling points. You've probably got heaps. Okay. Are you self-taught? Not at all, brother. Not at all. So I was introduced to carving, Whakairo, at a young age by my uncle, who's still carving today, but not as much these days. And it's just what I love to do. Gypsy Danger. Oh, we got a bit of a kaiju fighter up in here. Thank you very much for the sub, my brother. So glad I stumbled across him. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Damn, that table. It's just an AEG clamp, to be honest, brother. Let's get dedicated to Red Bull. I kind of figured that's why I had to do a few more for Red Bull. Hey, Cooch! Aloha, brother. How are you? I might play some hakas, eh? I feel like singing a bit. Or do we want to have some news? I'll tell you what. This is what we're going to do. Get your questions ready, because I think it's time for the news. I think it might be tomorrow just for me, so I've got to, I might have to email them saying I can't do it. Get your questions ready.
With Facebook Shops, connecting people with your business just got easier.
You can bridge the gap between an online store with...
You watched Demon Slayer? I finished not too long ago. Can't wait for the movie. Yeah, me too. I'm on Wednesday then. Yeah, I thought it was today. Well, I did think it was today. Thanks, Cheesecake. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. Let's do it. He watches anime? I most definitely do. Not as much though. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News. Half Pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere, brought to you by Red Bull. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to the Half Pie News, we talk about today's struggles in the world, stories, but just not as good as the mainstream. So ladies and gentlemen, today for your Primordial weather report, we have the weather. Ladies and gentlemen, the weather is not looking too bad today. As you can see up in the sky, we have clouds just hovering above the sky. Also with the sun out, it's beaming onto the land. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it is an overcast day with a chance of sunshine. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the weather report. Now I believe Jonathan is beaming in. Kia ora, Jonathan, do you have anything for Crime Watch? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have something. So a story from last night, ladies and gentlemen. We had a moped driver running away from the police at 10 k's per hour. Quite the, how do I say this? Exciting chase it would be, but unfortunately I believe he got caught as he got down to the end of the road. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to come back to you for some questions. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to the chat. This is something we do every time on the Half Pie News to see if the chat has a doozy of a question for us. At the moment, they have nothing. Scrolling through the chat, we have no questions, just half pie emotes. So ladies and gentlemen, as they make it harder for me to answer a question, we shall carry on. So ladies and gentlemen, in other news, or that I know of anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, it is the 16th anniversary of World of Warcraft today, where you can get 2 free mounts and also a crafted back piece. Now I haven't even started playing it yet, so ladies and gentlemen, if you do indulge in a bit of World of Warcraft, this may be the time for you to get in on it. Now we're going to go back to the chat for some questions. Where's the secret tunnel? Through the mountain. Ladies and gentlemen, any questions? What is your favourite wood to carve? Well, any wood that is quite available to me. I'm not a fussy carver. I will carve anything I get. We have another question. Who us your muscles? Well, I believe who us your muscles is quite a difficult question to answer, so I would say Ramses muscles are number 1. Who is your favourite Demon Slayer character? Well, good sir, Gyomei is probably my favourite due to him being a big dude that uses axes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, due to the stellar questions from our chat today, I will end questions there. So today on Good Sorts, we have an individual that comes here a lot with a lot of bad jokes and puns as well. The man who loves to burn his shoes just as much as he singes pigs at the marae. Ladies and gentlemen, just for kicks, can we get a shout out for the bro? Now if you are looking for someone to tune into that customises shoes, also gets his fingers all nice and painty and draws little faces on his fingernails as well, be sure to indulge in his stream. He's quite good, he's quite the talented man as well, and he's back home where the real food is. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another question from Maya. Why is Maya the greatest duck? Well, it all comes down to how much streams you mod for, really. Many thoughts, many streams, many praises to you, Maya Duck. Ladies and gentlemen, well, we shall end it there. All I can say is, ladies and gentlemen, not much on the Half Pie News today. So from here to you, from me to you, from here to there, up there, down there, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Kia ora, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Why do you talk so loud? Okay. Okay, back to carving. That was the Half Pie News. Whoa, what's this YouTube ad? Later, kid Edda. We don't need your negativity here, man. James Stove, thank you very much for the sub, brother. I'm just looking back because I may have missed some. 1024. Here's $5 for a real microphone. No, we just use our wooden one, brother. Well, thank you for that, brother. Much appreciated. Okay, whanau. Back to the real work. Oh, I just put the camera down. Now I've got to do a posture check. Damn, there's a lot of people that like Pirates of the Caribbean in here. Yo. Got it, Sinamoyo. Oh. We need to spread Broxh here just like we did with hybrid. What? Hybrid? That sounds like some X-Men talk. See ya. Keep doing what you love, brother. Ah, the bird don't pray. No, definitely will, man. Definitely will, brother. But he thinks it's Pirates of the Caribbean. Well, that's what I know from. I don't know what you're on about. God damn. Drew McIntyre takes out Randy Orton. Hey, they must be on today. Part of the ship, part of the crew. No, just whanau. There we go. How's your day going? Pingu. Yeah, my day's going good, brother. Thanks for asking. Hey, Mr. Fanta Pants. How are you, brother? Who's the best streamer in Broxh? No. How often do you sharpen your tools, Iron Cowboy? Usually like once every 3 weeks, maybe even more. Maybe even more. It all depends on It all depends on like the type of timber you use. That's all it comes down to. But it's so much more relaxed than normal. Ah, that's good, brother. I don't know what everyone's on about, eh? Ginger Tater, thank you very much for gifting 2 subs, brother. Is from iFunny. Oh, what happened to iPad? Oh, I don't know. Eh? Just don't be an egg, that's all. Have you considered text-to-speech? Nah, that's dumb. I'd rather talk to you guys myself. And read the comment myself. Oh, damn. Live one. Be the same. Bro, I hope I said that right. Much appreciated, man. Holy cow. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Did I NZ? Jungle Jew, Husky, X Roadie, and Meow Yata. Thank you very much for the 5 gifted subs, brother. And that's who they went out to. Tolton, you're awesome, brother. Thank you, my brother. Okay, let's do this side now. Aeon Smoko Fanta, Alex Kent, and Ginger Tater. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. He didn't have to though. Much appreciated, whanau. Honestly, I really do, but I always think about your guys' well-being too. Like all the time, really. OMG. Oh, damn. Nathan Tram. Gifted 10 bloody subs. Holy cow. Thank you, bro. What the hell? Yo. Much appreciated, brother. So those 10 gifted subs went out to No Kinzo, Roma Bean, Kimchi, Graham, Cheese, Jeffels, Uncle Bubba, Rogue, Michael Bepp, Marcus Rover, Zamiri, and John Pope Braga. Yo, thank you, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. So is what you guys are saying not even from Pirates of the Caribbean? Much appreciated, brother. Holly, thank you for the 100 bits as well. And Poo Loop. Random gibberish as well. Much appreciated, Father. Yo, Ash Soro. But you're strange, just maybe feel good. No, speedy recovery though, brother. That's pretty serious considering what's happening, brother. I legit thought you were like referencing Davy Jones' ship. Feels bad, man. Mustn't be. That's why I stayed. Hey, cheer, Papa Panda. Cheer, brother. Get these high eyes out the way. Things are really hopeful as now. Yeah, 3 days with no cases. Yeah, we had Moda in here earlier, Fanta, and he was telling us about the current situation in Melbourne too, which is good. Really cool to hear. I don't know if he's still here. He might be just chilling. How long does this kind of work usually take? Man, it can take up to like 3 weeks, maybe less. I don't know, Maya. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to figure out. But someone was saying it's people from whatever their thing is. I don't know what it's called. Something funny. Tactical Penguin, much appreciated for the bits, my brother. And M70 Serrano. Hey, Hammer Razor, chill, brother. I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. Just getting some carving done today. I'll be back soon, guys. I just gotta check on Mrs. Broxh. Where are you located? Earth. Holland Judge, thank you very much for the bits, man. Yeah, I mean, if it starts ruining the stream for everyone else, is it okay if you guys hold off saying it, please? Tactical Penguin, thank you very much, my bro. Again, god damn. Morning, bro. Aroha from Houston, Texas. Oh, cheer the bro from Texas. It's election time over here. Crazy times here in America. Shout out to Swanson, whanau and Tauranga for me. Yeah, true. Shout out to the Swanson, whanau from Tauranga. True. Too much of it. Juan Ray was funny. Did enjoy. Hey, thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to though. Yeah, you can keep saying it, but if it starts killing the buzz for other people, can we just hold off, please? I don't mind you saying it. But I thought you were referencing that dude off the boat. The one that's holding the lantern. When you said you weren't, I was like, oh, what's it from then? I'm ready to swing and kick. Yeah, you can keep saying it, but yeah, if it just people start to like not like it, can we hold off saying it? We refer to ourselves as the Forbidden App. Oh, I think someone finally explaining it. So you have an app. Oh, okay. Ah, makes sense now. Alright. Yeah, I just didn't know what you were talking about. I was like, I don't get it. Childish Nunes. Oh boy. The little sperm that could. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on, Nathan. You didn't have to do that, brother. God damn. They even gifted 10 bloody subs. They went to Blue Hamster, Lefty TV, Fuzzy Mungirl, Critical Mugs, Sensonoshi, Camel Bees, FX010, Illegally Minimug, and Face Hair. Okay, so that's beard. Thank you, brother. Honestly, don't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. Thank you, brother. Beatbox Maniac and Childish Nunes. Huh, didn't I just see you sub? Epic Bonkers. Thank you very much for the bits as well. What? Gav, nah, it's the first time. But I thought it was Pirates of the Caribbean. Just recently. Oh, true. I didn't even know. Oh, thank you, iFunny. Oh, sorry, Forbidden App. That's what you call it, eh? Yeah, this whole time I was like, man, these guys really like Pirates of the Caribbean. Me too. But it's like a thing you guys in the crew say. Fair enough. I get it now. Oh, it is Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, okay. I thought you's yeah, something else. Fleecy. Thank you very much for the bits, brother. Don't talk about it. I mean, I know my rights. We were asked not to spam it. Oh, okay. Part of the ship. Okay. Now I hope this has to be better than okay. Has to be better than Redhead Shank's ship though. One piece of soya. Nah, it's all good, Maya. It's just if it starts to annoy people, yeah, then you might calm down on it. If it's people coming from that app, it's all good for now. I'm from the secret tunnel. Oh, come on, bro. I can't find it. Where is it? I legit can't find the song. Oh well. Anyway, back to the bro. Naven. Brother, honestly bro, that you've done enough, brother, straight up. But the bro gifted 5 subs that went to Toby, Cold Lasagna, oh that's not nice, The Con Man, Gary Loves Bacon, me too, and Brian. Thank you, whanau. Okay. What's the time? Damn, it's almost time to go and do some stuff off stream. Thanks, Nathan. The simp for him. Then simp for him, good sir. Oh, no need to. Yeah, I'll play Secret Tunnel before I leave. And we'll turn it right up. Hold on, am I even allowed to play it, Thunder? Considering the DMCA? That's kind of made a lot of people hesitant on music these days, eh? Furious Kitten, Maud CrossFit, yeah. Thank you very much, brothers. You can play it, just delete the VOD. Ah, yeah. Well, I don't really like deleting VODs. Just because I want to leave them there for people to enjoy. Thanks, Atticus Rogue. Thank you, brother. Yeah, quite a few people are here from that, brother. And shout out to you guys as well for tuning in. Spamus. What? Spammers be banned? Did I say that right? Thank you, brother. The John, that's why I play game music. Yeah. Camilo, thank you, brother. Epic bonkers, no refunds. Oh, come on, brother. Just walked in by my bedroom and my son is eating popcorn in my bed. The audacity. He's living a good life. Hey, Miles Milner. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, pretty good day today, my brother. Thank you for asking. Nemfley and Slonesta. Thank you very much, whanau. How about just spam Brom in the chat, eh? Nah, don't spam. He should be the official Movember emote. Brom, thank you, Cheesecake, for the bits, brother. Honestly, don't have to though, bro. I Piconda. Thank you very much, brother. Back to work for the first time in 8 months. Jeez, sorry I can't stay long. Oh, bro, all good. Get some rest, brother. Damn, mahi from 8 months. Real, not that good. Thank you for the sub, brother. Honestly, thank you, thank you, thank you. You didn't have to though, brother. How many Maori are doing coding like you? Heaps. Heaps. Like there's a lot of traditional Maori woodcarvers. Uniplia, thank you very much for the 2 months, man. Thank you, man. Well, not that good. Thank you very much for the subs, man. You didn't have to though, brother, but much appreciated. Bam, 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 bam. They went to Stars Striker and Jacka Chackalak. Yeah, brother. Sounds like the rock dude. Hey man, my name's Korg. I'm kinda like the leader around here. This pile of rocks waving at you. Well, yeah, I tried to start a revolution, but unfortunately I didn't print enough pamphlets, so no one turned up other than my father, or my mother's boyfriend, who I hate. You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. You need healing, brother. The door guy. Nathan oh, and then you sub yourself, this guy. Thank you guys, you didn't have to though. Oh, we don't say that name around here. Revelous Kiss, thank you very much for the bits, man. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Can't get anything done. Oh, yeah, I can. Easy. But for me, it's about acknowledging those people, eh? So that will always come first. I don't like to ignore that kind of kindness. Here you go, boys. Before I call it a day. So all the people that came in on that thing, I can't say what it is because it's forbidden. Let's chill out, crewmates. Bust out the rum, whanau, and just kick back. Gotta run, fam. Be easy one. Cheer, Qui-Gon. Have a good one, brother. Wise Buck. Thank you very much, brother. That's League of Legends, isn't it? Yeah, Dexter. It is, brother. So I got it up here. Who is Broxh? But most importantly, how is Broxh? Cheers, Sam. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. I'm all good. Yeah, with Twitter. Yeah, bro. I do. It's just under the same name, pretty much, brother. If I'm lucky enough, I'll get on social media without the underscore, but most of the time the underscore's there. Go do your work. Found your Twitch because of Instagram. Welcome, brother.
Marbury,
Lucky man.
Breonna Taylor, George Floyd, Orlando Castillo, Alden Sterling, and too many others. Unite to make a plan to vote. Our lives depend on it.
Really astonishing. I wouldn't have the patience in prison. So really hats off. Thanks, brother. Yeah, this is what I love to do. You're out my okay, dude, mate. Monkey Man, thank you very much for the sub, brother. I'll probably just cut this line and call it there, whanau. And I'll stand it up so we can see what we've done. Better text the bro or message the bro tonight, see if there's any other days available. Because I did not know we were running off NZ time. I didn't know. That doesn't I see the message related to just Ah, no, you don't need to, brother. I have an art channel called. Please, may you check it out later. Yeah, we'll see, brother. I've got things to do too. I don't just like kick back after stream. I carry on carving. My mates, please subscribe to this man. Nah, don't encourage it, brother. There's no need to. Just come and watch. All good. We'll stand them up, eh? Oh, come on. Nathan again. Cheer, Nathan, for the 10 gifted bloody subs again. Welcome to the New Year crew. Nah, much appreciated, brother. Really, thank you. Those went out to burn that. Okay, I'm not going to say that whole name. Aero Winds, Overflow, Pettijar, Mr. Cunning Fox, Vito Viper, Erisian, QL Bus, Stay Frosty Dude. Gotta do extra stream on Friday. Oh, true. Okay, let's stand them up, eh? You will still be out, yeah. So we got Hapu Whanau tomorrow and the next day, and that's it. So I'm gonna stand them up now so you can see it. We'll see most of it. Yo, Fabrice looks really good, Broxh. Yo, thank you for the 3 months, my brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, it's looking alright, I would say. Oh. Cheers, Queen Star. Have a good one, Queen Star. Thank you for watching. Oh, that's not even in properly. Lock in your bugger. Good. Why is it not locking in? Hold on. Build a path to be together. So I'll just push it back a bit so you can see the whole thing. So I'll come stand by you guys. Oh, he's on a bit of a leaning tower. Oh, good enough. So yeah, that's him so far.